All right, we are going to do an unboxing video. A little flair for the dramatic here. We have a box. This is going to be a Fluke Networks LinkIQ Model 100. I don't know if I'm supposed to do this more quickly. I don't have a lot of experience opening these things in a box because, well, how many new LinkIQs does one get? All right. We have paperwork. And we have a case. Are we done now? So inside of this case, we have more paperwork. Oh, a quick start guide. This looks helpful. How to set it up, how to run a test, how to test cable, how to test a network. Oh, how to generate a tone. So inside of here we have a LinkIQ, carry strap, category 6A patch cord, one remote identifier, one coupler, one piece of Velcro to hold something in here. Oh, some accessories for our power supply. A power supply, and that looks like a USB-C cable, which must plug into the side of our tester. Okay, there's the tester. It's about that big. Has one button. Has one RJ45 port, one USB-C port. Let's try turning it on. Hey, it says LinkIQ. Let's try running a test. Plug in my patch cord here. And, well, there is an auto test button. We'll push auto test. Hey, look at that. Tells me the cable is 1.3 meters long. Let's see what it does if we add this remote identifier to the far end. So there's a remote ID number 1. Looks like we can plug it into this coupler. And plug this in here. Maybe I'll save these test results. Ooh, test 001. Okay, and we'll push test. And so again, I've got my remote identifier here on the far end. So now the cable's 1.5 meters long. And hey, look at this. It tells me that it'll support 10 gigabits. Pretty fancy. Wonder what this would tell me about a switch. Let's hit save here. Okay. I think I've got a little switch that'll reach. There we go. There's a little switch. Let's get a little bit of slack on this cord here. And we'll plug that in. And again, I still haven't configured anything. I'll just push auto test here and see what it tells me. All right, we are attached to port number 1, 2, 3, and it's telling us we're attached to port number 3. It's giving us the name of the switch. It's telling us that it can do 10, 100, and gigabit Ethernet in full and half duplex. And it looks like it's doing a PoE test now. This switch has a lot of PoE, so this might take it a moment. While we're waiting for it to finish its PoE test, let's see if there's anything else interesting here. Yeah, I'm sure I could tie the strap on to show you how to hold it. One remote identifier is nice. And let's see what else we have here. All right, so we did this cable test, and here we are testing to the network with PoE, and these PoE tests seem to take some time. Hey, there we go. Interesting. It's telling me we have both single and dual signature PoE on the first two, and then on the second two pairs. Looks like we're getting class 6 PoE, and we software negotiated to class 7. Save those test results. That's interesting. And that's what comes in the box. One LinkIQ, one remote identifier, a patch cord, an adapter, and we have opened the box of a Fluke Networks LinkIQ Model 100.